What are accumulated degree days in forensic entomology? Imagine trying to figure out how long a body has been there just by looking at it. It can be tricky, especially when decomposition is advanced. That's where forensic entomology comes into play. One key tool in this field is called accumulated degree days. Accumulated degree days are a way scientists measure how much heat has built up over time. Insects like blowflies develop faster when it's warmer and slower when it's cooler. So, by tracking temperature changes, investigators can estimate how long insects have been developing on a corpse. The basic idea is that insects need a certain amount of heat to grow through each stage of their life cycle. For example, a blowfly egg won't hatch unless it has been exposed to enough warmth. This warmth is measured in degree days. 1 degree day is calculated when the average temperature for a day is 1 degree above the minimum temperature needed for development. If the temperature stays below this minimum, no development occurs, and no degree days are added. To find the total accumulated degree days, forensic scientists gather temperature data from the scene. They subtract the minimum temperature threshold from the daily average temperature, then add up these numbers over the days since death. This total helps estimate how long the insects have been developing. Once they know the accumulated degree days, scientists compare this to lab data showing how many degree days are needed for insects to reach a specific stage. For example, if a certain species takes about 200 degree days to reach the larva stage, and the total calculated is 200, they can estimate the insects have been developing for roughly that amount of time. This method is especially useful when traditional ways of estimating time of death are less accurate, like when a body is decomposed or found in a remote area. It helps narrow down the post-mortem interval, which is the time since death. However, factors like humidity, clothing, and whether the body was indoors or outdoors can influence insect development. These elements are considered alongside accumulated degree days to improve accuracy. Overall, this technique is a vital part of forensic science. It helps investigators piece together timelines and supports other evidence in criminal cases. In essence, accumulated degree days are a way of translating temperature data into a timeline, giving a clearer picture of how long insects have been on a body. This, in turn, helps determine the post-mortem interval and provides crucial information in solving crimes.